Hey y'all, welcome to third grade, chapter 1, lesson 6. We're going to go ahead and get started. So first we're going to estimate, and then we're going to use the break apart strategy to find the sum. So estimating first, well, 518 is about 500, and 372 that 7 is bigger than 5, so it would probably round us up to 400. So 500 and 400 is about 900. That's easy, okay? So now the break apart strategy, so this is going to be 500 plus 10 plus 8, okay? Then we have 300 plus 70 plus 2, okay? We're going to add those up, okay? Except 8 and 2, that gives us another 10. So this one is going to be 0, okay? So now that column is going to be zeros, and we have 1, 2 plus 7 is 9, and then 2 zeros, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So now 800 plus 90 plus 0, well, that's 890. Okay? All right. Let's estimate. 473, that's going to round to about 500. 123, that's going to round to about 100. So 500 plus 100, well, that's 600. Okay? Now we're going to do 400 plus 70 plus 3 and 100 plus 20 plus 3. I don't have anything that adds up to a 10 that I can put over there, so we're going to go ahead and do it this way, okay? Well, 3 plus 3 is 6. Have the column with 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 zeros, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So 596. Done. Okay. All right, you guys are going to go ahead and do 4 through 6. Okay, we're going to go down and do the problem solving. It says Laura is making a building using set A and set C. How many blocks can she use in her building? Okay, so A is 165, so I'm going to do 100 plus 60 plus 5, and C is 245. Okay, so now I've got something that can give me another 10, but 60 and 40 give me another 100. Okay, so now I have 0, I have 10, and I have 100, 200 plus 200, 400. So that's 410. Blocks. Remember, we're labeling. Okay, number of blocks. Okay, all right. Mark is making this building using set B and set C. How many blocks can he use in this building? So B is 100 plus 80 plus 8, and C is 200 plus 40 plus 5. Okay, so 8 plus 5 is 13. So I'm going to put that 3 here, and I'm going to put that 10 up there. Okay, so now 10 plus 8 is 90, plus 40 is going to be 130. So I'm going to take that 100 and I'm going to put it up here, and I'm going to leave that 30 here. Okay, 130. All I did was move the 100 over to my hundreds. Okay, now 100, 200 plus 200, 400. And now I have 433 blocks. There we go. Okay, oops, sorry, you guys can't see that. Make sure you guys are showing your work, okay? Okay, so we're going to go over onto the back where you guys are going to do the lesson check, just like always. And Ms. Lee is going to go ahead and do this for our review. Okay, so Culver has 1 quarter, 3 dimes, and a penny. How much money does he have? Well, a quarter is 25. 1 dime is 10, and I have 3 of those, so that's 30. And a penny, that's going to be 1. Let's add them up. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 56 cents. So you can either write 56 cents like I just did there, or you can write the $sign 0.65. Either way is okay. Pick one though. Okay. Oh, sorry, not 65, 56. My bad. Okay. All right. Felicia has 34 quarters, 25 dimes, and 36 pennies. How many coins does Felicia have? I'm glad they didn't want us to add that up. So 34, 25, 36. You know what? Let's go ahead and break them apart. 30 plus 4, 20 plus 5, and 30 plus 6. Because 4 and 6 will give us another 10. Okay? So now I'm going to have 5, but I have 10 plus 30 is 40, plus 20 is 60, plus 30 is 90. So 90 plus 5, 95. Yes, I could have spent the time and added those all up and gotten the same result. It's just a little easier sometimes to break it up. Okay, so 95 coins. Don't forget to label. Okay, Jonas wrote 9 plus 8 is 17. What number sentence shows the commutative property of addition? Okay, well, when you commute, you're moving. Just like if you commute to work, you're going to work. You're moving from one place to another. Okay, so if 9 plus 8 is 17, then 8 plus 9 is also 17. There we go. All done. Okay. At Kennedy School, there are 37 girls and 36 boys in the third grade. How many students are in the third grade? Well, let's 30 plus 7, 30 plus 6. Okay. Well, 7 plus 6 is 13. So I'm going to put that 3 down and I'm going to put a 10 up there. Okay. So now 30 and 30 is 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 3, 73 students. There we go. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out for 1.6. Come on back for 1.7. See you soon.